You put yourself.
Hey.
Put yourself up.
This is my wife. She's gonna do nothing. She asked me, can you make a haul? I said, fuck no. But she said, oh, please do it. Do it long. Come on, do it long. I'll make a haul for Gaisano Mall. And multiple walls. Philippines. So here we go. I'm just gonna do it the rough way. Yeah! So this is what we got. This is nothing. We got Tic Tac. We got this milk candy. I don't know what that is. Away with that. We got this. It is Corona time, so we need those apparently. We got baby oil. For what I don't need, we don't got a baby yet. We may have one at some point. And this one is for my wife's legs and other things. Then we got this one. And this, I have to say, is twice or even more expensive than in Denmark, Europe. Then we got this Milo, because I don't drink coffee. And then we got coffee. Coffee. And more alcohol. Right? Because you get those cuts sometimes. And coffee shot cappuccino. I will not like that. A simple toothpaste from Colgate and a little secret thing that we apparently always need here. I don't know what it is. And a candy bar. It's 5 stars. So it must be good. 5 stars. That's
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today is anong araw today? Friday, March 13, and this is our last day dito sa Mualbual, and we are staying specifically dito sa Panagsama, and maraming turista rito guys, and there's a lot of restaurants to choose. Kaya lang yung beach nila hindi ganun kaganda, but if you are into snorkeling, maganda siya dito kasi madaming isda, madaming mga coral reefs na pwede mong makita. Pero pag gusto mo yung white sand, doon ka banda sa Basdiot or something like that. Doon yung magandang beach, yung white sand na fine sand, ganon. Dito is nakastay kami sa Saavedra Bungalow, and I think we're paying around, I don't know, 1,000. Okay, 2,000 per night dito. And worth it naman siya kasi nga may sarili kang terasa, pwede kang in the morning or in the evening, whatever, you can sit there outside, have your coffee, and you can see all these people. So this is the room. Ano na siya guys, medyo yeah. This is like chaos now. Shut the fuck up.
ruining
This is a bit
the video.
Shut up, oi. So this is a bit chaos now, but we're gonna check out today, so that's why all our bags there, here, and then this is what I've been telling a while ago, the terraza, where you can actually come out from our room, and then here you can sit down, and then this is the view, the wreck. There you go, my father. Yes, that's it, our short tour, because we're very They go in a group, no? Together, no?